2025 Wall Color Trends. Embracing warm brown tones in home interiors. Hello everyone. Welcome to Decor Tips. As we step into 2025, one of the most prominent trends in home decor is the return of brown tones as a dominant choice for wall colors. Moving away from the cooler grays of previous years, designers and homeowners alike are gravitating toward the warmth, comfort, and earthy elegance that brown brings to a space. In this article, we explore the trending shades of brown for walls, how to use them in your interior design, and which colors pair best to create harmonious, stylish environments. Why brown is making a comeback in 2025. Brown tones are versatile, timeless, and deeply connected to nature. In a world that increasingly values grounding, mindfulness, and sustainability, brown hues evoke a sense of calm, stability, and warmth. They help create cozy, inviting interiors that feel both modern and timeless. Trending brown shades for 2025. Here are the top brown wall color trends dominating interiors this year. Mocha brown, a rich, coffee-inspired shade that adds depth without feeling too dark. Camel beige, a lighter, caramel-toned brown that feels soft, sophisticated, and chic. Walnut, a dark, luxurious brown ideal for accent walls or elegant living spaces. Terracotta brown, a warm, reddish brown with Mediterranean vibes, perfect for earthy, boho, or rustic styles. Taupe, a perfect blend of gray and brown for those who want a neutral but warmer alternative to pure grays. Chocolate brown, deep and bold, ideal for dramatic looks and statement walls. How to use brown tones on walls. Brown works beautifully in various rooms and design styles. Here's how you can incorporate it. Living rooms. Use lighter shades like camel or taupe to create a relaxed and elegant atmosphere. Add texture with wood furniture and neutral textiles. Bedrooms. Rich tones like mocha or chocolate create a cozy, cocoon-like feeling perfect for restful spaces. Dining rooms. Terracotta or walnut brown walls paired with soft lighting and natural materials elevate the space with warmth and intimacy. Accent walls. Choose a bold shade like walnut or chocolate to create a statement wall behind the bed or in the hallway. Best color combinations with brown walls. Brown is incredibly flexible and works with a variety of other tones. Here are some elegant and trendy combinations. Brown and cream beige, for a soft, harmonious, and minimalist look. Brown and white, to keep the space light, modern, and fresh. Brown and olive green, perfect for earthy, nature-inspired interiors. Brown and burnt orange or rust, adds vibrancy while keeping a warm, cozy feel. Brown and navy blue, a sophisticated, modern mix that brings balance and depth. Brown and gold or brass accents, adds a luxurious touch with metallic warmth. Final tips. Stick to matte or eggshell finishes for a more modern and calming look. Balance dark brown walls with lighter furniture, mirrors, or metallic accents to avoid a heavy feel. Incorporate natural textures like wood, linen, jute, or rattan to complement the earthy vibe of brown tones. Brown wall colors are more than just a passing trend. They represent a shift toward warmth, comfort, and timeless design. Whether you prefer light camel shades or deep walnut tones, brown is the perfect canvas for creating a cozy, modern, and stylish home in 2025.